India, one of the most populous nations in the world, is also home to the largest number of languages or dialects spoken, 19,500 to be exact. More than 500 million people among India's 1.4 billion population use Hindi as their mother tongue. However, many others use it as their second language. Hindi has been the official language since independence. The rising far-right groups have argued for Hindi as the national language, a proposal strongly opposed by non-Hindi-speaking states. The resulting conflict has often led to the destruction of property, harassment of people, and even deadly fights. But Rajasthan, famous for its forts and sands, has a different take. It is using a native mother tongue rather than Hindi to help children learn better.
मुझे यहाँ बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि पहली क्लास का बच्चा जो है वो किताब पढ़ रहा है। मतलब एक तरह का ये समझते हैं कि चमत्कार हो गया यूँ। मैंने कभी मतलब ये इमेजिन नहीं किया था कि पहली क्लास का बच्चा इस तरह से पढ़ पाता है।
For these children, born into an indigenous tribe, learning to read in a language neither they nor their parents speak is a challenge. To break this pattern, authorities launched a program in 2 Rajasthan districts to teach students to read in their mother tongue. Months after the experiment began, there is progress. Rajasthan's State Council of Educational Research and Training Centre created dictionaries by using the local dialect, making them trilingual with Hindi and English. This made learning an easy process, says Jashoda.
हिंदी भाषा का प्रयोग ज़्यादा कर रही थी बच्चों के साथ में, तो मेरे को लग रहा था कि बच्चों का कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं मिल रहा था। बिल्कुल सहमे सहमे डरे डरे से थे, सहज नहीं हो पा रहे थे। मैं कुछ पूछ रही हूँ तो उसका जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे थे। लेकिन ये मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि हम बागड़ी का ब्रिज, मतलब जो L1 जो मदर टंग है उसका हम ब्रिज बना के अगर उनकी भाषा में हम बातचीत करेंगे, और ये मतलब चमत्कार हो गया कि हर बच्चा, एक भी बच्चा इस तरह से नहीं है कि वो कोई जवाब नहीं दे पा रहा है।
At the Kuwari Nichalafala School, a Spartan concrete building on a dusty hill, 13 first graders, aged around 5 to 6, leaf through the dictionary every school day. It is a far cry from the other side of India's education system. The ultra-modern technology institutes whose prize pupils are snapped up by Californian tech giants. In the sweltering heat, the top student deciphers a few lines. He is still far from mastering reading in his native Vagdi, a language with more than 3 million speakers, according to the last census. But he is making great progress, like all the students in his class, thanks to the new system that uses native dialect instead of ignoring it.
तीनों में डालने से उससे एक तो ये फ़ायदा है कि कंपैरेटिवली बच्चा उस चीज़ को कोरिलेट कर लेता है कि जिसको मैं मेरे घर पे स्थानीय भाषा में मैं जिस शब्द को जिस वस्तु के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ उसका हिंदी में क्या अर्थ है और इंग्लिश में क्या अर्थ है।
A survey in 9 of Rajasthan's rural districts revealed the magnitude of the task. 250,000 primary school students speaking 31 languages. 3/4 of them are far from understanding, let alone speaking Hindi. This unique challenge prompted the state officials to prepare the trilingual dictionary.
तो सबसे पहले हमने राजस्थान के 2 जिलों में सिरोही और डूंगरपुर के एक ब्लॉक के 100 स्कूल्स में इसको शुरू किया है, जिसमें जो वागड़ी और गरासिया 2 लैंग्वेजेस हैं उसमें इसको किया है। इसकी मैपिंग के लिए हमने सबसे पहले वहाँ का जो लोकल डायलेक्ट है उसको लेकर के डिक्शनरीज बनाई, और डिक्शनरी को हमने त्रिभाषीय बनाया, जिसमें जो शिक्षा का मेन माध्यम है हिंदी, प्लस जो आगे जो ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज है इंग्लिश, और जो उसकी स्थानीय भाषा है।
Parents are now more involved too. Since they speak the language being taught, it's up to them to support their children by having them read and telling them stories. For parents, teaching their children was an alien process due to the language barrier, with most of them unfamiliar with Hindi and English. But integrating the native dialect has made the process extremely easy, opening up potential future benefits.
ભણાવવાનું જરૂરી છે ભણીને અનપઢ રહી તો કે જઈ તે બોર્ડ વાંચી કે રોકાની નોકરી મળે આ કમાઈ ખાવા બદલે નોકરી મળે કમાઈ ખાય પૂરો એક નોકરી કરે પૂરો પરિવાર કમાઈ ખાય.
In many Indian states, students are taught in English and Hindi, of which families may have little knowledge. Since 2020, the National Education Ministry has said that primary education in students' mother tongue is a priority. The new leap in teaching children using trilingual dictionary materialized due to support from state officials.
वहाँ शिक्षकों के सामने जो समस्या आ रही है उन समस्याओं को कुछ आपसी विचार विमर्श वहाँ के संस्था प्रधान से मिलकर के बच्चों के अभिभावक से भी मिलते हैं और बच्चों के सामने जो कठिनाइयाँ रहती है बच्चे जो स्थानीय भाषा का उपयोग करते हैं और शिक्षक हिंदी भाषा के साथ उनकी स्थानीय भाषा का, तो कभी कभी बच्चे हिंदी भाषा को नहीं समझ पाते हैं. उस परिस्थिति में शिक्षक के साथ हमारा संवाद रहता है कि बच्चों की भाषा के साथ आप बातचीत करें.
According to India's Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, the total literacy rate in the country, including all individuals aged 7 and above, accounts for 80.9% for the period 2023 to 2024. But the main concern is the reading level of the students. At the age of 8, only 39% of Indian students reach the required reading level. At 15, the situation is even worse. The rate drops to 10%. State officials and parents are hopeful that the new system using local dialect as a base can help them make more students capable of reading and understanding the other non-native languages,